short walk. I'm here at Eco Green Cafe and Eatery. It's a nice little cafe. Seen other people come here, and I'll kind of show you what it looks like. Nice view outside. Hopefully that music won't give me a copyright. It's an 8-minute walk from Mona Lisa Apartments. Like that. You got a nice little menu, free internet if you buy something. You got outdoor seating too. Look at that, Eco Green, the name right there if you want to pause. I'll walk outside here, show you where it is. It's only like 2 blocks from the ocean. You got other places nearby. You got a nice, just for reference, oh, it just started to rain. You got J Market right there. And the beach is that way. And then this is it from the outside. And I'll give you the QR code. And we ordered a breakfast apiece. I got like an English muffin thing with egg, and I'll tell you the prices later. That's if you want to do delivery or takeout, you can scan that QR code. They're open 8 a.m. to 2100. That's 9 o'clock. A nice place. So our first Vietnamese coffee, I got the coconut coffee, and Claire got the, what did she get? Just like a brown coffee, Vietnamese brown coffee. And they also have beer and other things. So we got the brown coffee here, brown Vietnamese coffee. Coconut coffee. I've been wanting to try this. Okay. Oh, it's good. There's like a little bit of iced, creamy stuff, coconut on the top, and then the bottom's coffee. Very nice. Alright, so here's my breakfast. Man, that thing looks good. Got little vegetables, a salad, and it's an English muffin with bacon and poached egg. Ooh, 2 sunny side up, sausage, toast with, is that potatoes? You know, how come you always get the better one? Seriously, she gets the better breakfast and a salad. All right, time to eat. All right, we finished breakfast. I didn't show the check, but I'll let you know it's 393,000 dong, which is roughly 900 pesos. So not bad for 2 coffees, 2 dishes. Good. So we're gonna walk down this way towards the ocean. Towards the ocean. I'm gonna walk towards the ocean. And I always wanted to walk.
Right?
Yeah, this is the ocean. And we're gonna go walk by Bikini Bottom and see what's around there. Not this street, but the next one. I think you take a right on there. Is it this one?
I don't know. Maybe.
Just try the Google Maps. You see a lot of foreigners around here. There's an Indian restaurant over there.
Okay, so we're here. So we're here right now.
So Bikini Bottom.
So actually, probably this one, this street, right?
Yeah. So we're gonna go by Bikini Bottom and Adobo Mexican Grill.
So here, you hold it.
And then we're gonna walk along the beach. And it's just kind of what you do here. We're gonna rent a bike eventually. Huh?
This way, right?
Yeah. You got coffee shops everywhere. I mean, look over here on the right. You just get a coffee, face the street. It's not too hot today because there's no sun.
It's cloudy right now.
Yeah. Here's your prices for you can pause that. It's about 30,000 dong to the US dollar. That's just a plus or minus thing. But we want to eat here one night. Adobo Grill, Adobo Mexican Grill. They got burritos, tacos. You choose your protein. Kind of like this right here. What I've heard is like your, what's that burrito place in California? Let me know in the comments. Look, tacos, burritos. Very friendly. They're like, come in. That's going to be some other night. I know. Come to Vietnam. Why are you eating Mexican food? It's just interesting what each country's take on Mexican food is. I mean, we had Mexican food last night. You know, I'll throw up a few little videos of it. It was delicious.
Mexican food?
Yeah.
Last night?
Well, no, we had Vietnamese food last night. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You said Mexican.
Yeah,
It's
but
Vietnamese.
no, but we're gonna have Mexican in Vietnam just to see what it tastes like. Somebody wants to get her nails done.
No,
You want to do them now?
I'm looking. Prices.
I want to get their little haircut thing where you lay there and then they wash your hair and they give you a massage.
Oh, this one is nice too. Like gel polish, you have to.
Look at medical tourism. So up here, spa, nail.
$4.
Look how they even display the nails. Look, you can even see. Look at these. They're like claws. And then if you want to get something done like cuticle remover, nail polish, a hand foot mash, it's like I guess $4.
You want to do it now? You can do this one and then I can do the nails. $12.
Get my hair washed.
What do you think?
Yeah, let's see this one place and then we'll come back. Thank you. They come right out right away when you're there.
They're not like trying to, you know.
Yeah, that's one thing I noticed is like I haven't seen any homeless people here. Nobody's asked for us for money. There's no begging. But we have had local vendors come up and want you to buy something, but they're not pushy or anything.
If you say no, they're just gonna leave.
Yeah, if you say no, they just kind of okay. They go on their way. Here it is. Where's Bikini Bottom? It's here somewhere. I'm trying to find the Bikini Bottom. I don't know where it is. Huh, I guess we passed it. Oh, hey, it's right over here. But they got New York, look at that, pizza and craft beer. Huh, gotta go there. The Bikini Bottom's back there. We passed it, sorry. Next time, let's walk down here to the beach.
Okay, where's the beach?
This way. Oh, they got lots of parking. Weather's nice. You know, the streets here, it feels like, you know, you're feels like you're like downtown Oceanside. That's where I'm from, in San Diego. Not from, but lived a long time there. It's that kind of vibe. Everybody's easygoing. A couple people without helmets. You can see a lot of these electric bikes.
It's gonna be hot.
If you guys like these kind of videos, let me know. And I'll do more of these little walking the street videos. If not, you know. I wanted to show John, my brother who's coming here, what he's getting into. And friends and family back home. Also subscribers. Most subscribers, they want to know like what to do in the Philippines. This is, you know, after living in the Philippines for several years, you will want to get out and do other things, you know. That looks like a nice street. Look at all the lights. We're on a mission to get some banh mi sandwiches for the room for some merienda. And what do we got to get? Shampoo.
Yeah, we need shampoo.
Oh, you can feel the ocean breeze here.
Do you think it's gonna rain?
It's probably going to rain today. I mean, if you look at the skies, they're pretty gloomy. It's weird. It doesn't have a vibe. It kind of has. It has a similar vibe to Kuta Beach, but not quite so busy.
It's not that crowded.
Yeah. Thailand doesn't have the Thailand vibe. Thailand feels busy. And
A lot of foreigners.
a lot of foreigners. Here there's a lot of foreigners, but I don't know, it just feels a little more laid back. Especially like if you compared this to, say, Pattaya. Pattaya is very busy. This would be more like Jom Tien Beach. So here's the main beach walk. Do you want to go across the street or hug the buildings?
I don't know what do you think.
See.
It's 60 for us, right?
I've seen this hotel, Yara Hotel. On Agoda, you can get rooms at this hotel for like 30 bucks a night. And it includes breakfast. One similarity to the Philippines is a crosswalk does not mean they'll stop. It just means you gotta run fast. See that? Put your hand out. It's like real life Frogger. She's like, come on. Watch out.
Scared the shit out of me.
So, you know, I have to come down here being a surfer. This is for Roger in Bali. He showed us all around Bali. He was such a nice guy. If you ever want a really great guy to meet in Bali and show you some local places, Roger, Australian friend, I can give you his contact if you're in Bali, especially if you're a surfer. I see, yeah, I see knee to maybe thigh high waves. Nothing surfers are gonna get excited about. This is the area where everybody goes right here at night.
It's not really busy now.
It's not busy. The sand's nice. Look at the sand. It's nice. Dana Beach. I guess this is where they do the banana boat. Oh, there's a surfer. Oh, I talked to this guy. I think this is Lai Beach. You get any waves? No? Are you Lai surfing?
Yes, I like.
Hey, Mark. I chat with you.
to meet you.
I'm gonna stop by and see your shop.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Yeah. I'm gonna rent a board from him. He's got a nice board right there. So you ready for your surf lesson?
Yeah, the baby's not scary here.
Yeah, they're not scary.
Same
Oh, look,
in Bali.
there's the Lady Buddha.
Yeah.
You can see Lady Buddha in the background there.
The one in Bali is really big.
You walk down the beach in Bali and it's just especially Kuta Beach, it's so busy. Wow, this is nice. You got a nice little breeze coming in. It's you got people surfing right here. So this is a surf spot right in front of Beach Beer, Beach Bar, Restaurant, and more. Okay, and this little drainage for water.
Yeah, they have a smaller wave here.
Very small. Well, this is the South China Sea. I guess they call it the South Vietnamese Sea if you're near Vietnam. But hey, right across there, right way, if you swim straight across, that's Luzon. Yeah. Right straight across from here is Luzon. If you go due, I hate it, east or west. Let me see. I think it would be east. Anyway, across
No
the
idea.
ocean. Yeah, me either. So there's the swimming area. All right, I'm gonna end this. It was just what you do in Vietnam, and walking around. Thanks for watching, and plan on doing a lot more Vietnam videos. Just a quick note, an up and coming vlog, and this is just a up and coming thing. We're gonna get one of these bikes, both of us, and we're gonna learn how to load it on their little app, and it unlocks, and we're gonna go for a long bike ride. Right?
Yeah.
Up and coming, all the way down the beach.
Here you go. I transfer